ain't touch me, boy. That's disgusting.
How is it disgusting?
Cause, man, I don't know what you be doing with that thing.
Have you seen this video where the mother has her adult toy, her rose to be exact, beside her 14-year-old son? Before continuing, shot you like, follow, share and comment. This is a disgusting display of how women, because society does not register women as predators, seem to do more and more extreme, ridiculous, disturbing things. How do you sit down as a mother and choose to put your adult toy, your rose to be exact, beside your 14-year-old son? How do you feel comfortable to have a toy that you put between your legs and gain pleasure from using it? Put it beside your 14-year-old son. Have him sitting on it. This is disturbing. You have another version of this where the mothers are asking their sons for batteries for their rose. What type of sick, twisted type of... This isn't a joke, this is sick. But here's the funniest part. If it was a man, if the roles are reversed and it was a man doing this to his daughter, the entire internet would have been flipped upside down and they would have been calling for him to be arrested. But hey, these are just my thoughts, so that yours.